Hi students, welcome to Sri Kolhapuri Doll School. In this video, I am going to share with you the list of items that will be available as part of the do-it-yourself kit for making Mohiniyattam dancer doll. This is a handmade doll, so the materials will be related to that. So this is the set of body parts, 2 hands, 2 legs and the body portion. To fix this, we have given a wooden stand with wire. Then a beautiful fiber face. Okay, and then the material, the stitched material, some lace items for decoration. Then we have 2 types of hair, fiber hair and the plaited hair. Some decoration item, stone lace, earring, marker, jhumka base, not marker, sorry, all fix, this is the glue. Then we have jhumka base and some stone items. So these are the materials which are available as part of the do-it-yourself kit for making Manipuri dancer dolls. So once you buy this kit, you will be given access to the step-by-step method for making a complete doll. To buy this kit, WhatsApp me at 73056678838. The details are also shared in the comment section. The price details are also shared in the comment section. Please go through and buy this do-it-yourself kit and make beautiful Manipuri dancer doll. I will see you in the making video then. Bye bye for now. Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri Dolls.